In a class, there are 10 boys and 5 girls. A committee of 4 students is to be selected from the class. Listen, find the probability for the committee to contain at least 3 girls. To contain at least 3 girls. Okay, here a committee of 4 students out of 15 can be formed. Okay, here total how many boys are there? 10 boys are there. And how many girls? 5 girls. Total 15. Out of 15 we select 4 students to be selected. 4 students to be selected. A committee of 4 students out of 15 can be formed is, what is the formula? 15's NCR formula, 15C4, that is n is equal to total number of students, n is equal to 15C4 is equal to 15 factorial by 15 n minus r factorial into r factorial, n minus r, 15 minus 4 is 11 factorial into 4 factorial. Simplify this, 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 105 into 13. Here this is the total number of events in a probability. We can select 4 students out of 15, that is denoted by n. N is equal to the total number of events in a experiment. Next, find the probability for the committee to contain at least 3 girls. At least 3 girls. In this, at least 3 girls. Let E is the event forming a committee with at least 3 girls. At least 3 girls. Now, the committee have at least 3 girls. The committee have out of 4 members. In this, at least 3 girls. Out of 4, 1 is boy and 3 are girls. However, one more chance, 4 girls, no boy. Okay, here 4 students we have to select. In that, at least 3 girls are there. 1 boy, 3 girls, or 4 girls, no boy. M is equal to the number of favorable ways to E. The number of favorable ways to E. Here first, 1 boy, 3 girls. In 10 boys, in how many boys are there? 10 boys. In 10 boys, we select 1 boy, that is 10C1 into in 5 girls, how many girls are there? 5 girls. In 5 girls, we have to select 3 boys. 5 girls, we have to select 3 girls, that is 10C1 into 5C3 plus one more, 4 girls and no boy. No boy is out of 10, I am not taking any boy. Out of 10 boys, I am not taking any boy, that is 10C0 into out of 5 girls, I am taking 4 girls, that is 5C4. Simplify this, 10C1 into 5C3 value is 100. 10C1 is equal to, already we know that formula, NCR equal to n factorial by NCR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. We simplify this. Next, 10C1 is equal to 10 factorial is 10 factorial by 10 minus 1, that is 9 factorial into 1 factorial. 1 factorial is 1. Here 9 factorial up to 9 get cancelled, we get 100. This 10, this value is 5C3 20. We simplify this total value is 100, this total value is 5, that is equal to 105. Once again I will explain the problem. In a class there are 10 boys. In a class there are 10 boys and 5 girls. A committee of 4 students is to be selected from the class. Find the probability. In this 15, we form a committee of 4 members. Find the probability for the committee to contain at least 3 girls. Okay, here a committee of 4 students out of 15 can be formed. That is, out of 15 students, we form a committee of 4, that is n is equal to 15C4. Simplify this, 15C4 is 15 factorial by 11 factorial into 14 factorial, we get 105 into 13. Let E is the event forming a committee with at least 3 girls. With at least 3 girls. Now the committee having out of 10 boys we select 1 boy and 3 girls. 3 plus 1 4. Or one more possibility. Total 4 girls and no boy. Let M is equal to the number of favorable ways to E is 10C1 into 5C3 plus 10C0 into 5C4. This is M. Next, P of E is equal to the probability of E is equal to number of possible events in E by total number of possible events in E by total number of events in E, that is equal to 105 by total number of possibilities, that is denoted by M. M is equal to what? 105. The total number of events in E is what? 105 into 13. That is, out of 15 students, we are forming a 4 member of committee. That is a 15C4. It is denoted by N. That is the total number of events in E. That is equal to 105 by 105 into 13. That is equal to 0.1 by 13. That is equal to 0.0769. This is the basic probability problem. How to find the probability out of 15 students, we form a committee of 4 students, at least in that 3 girls. Okay, we will go to the next problem. Next, a class consists of 6 girls. A class consists of 6 girls and 10 boys. A class consists of 6 girls and 10 boys. If a committee of 3 chosen at random from the class find a probability that one is first one 3 boys are selected, second one exactly 2 girls are selected. In that first one is what? 3 boys are selected, exactly 2 girls are selected. Second one. Okay. Total number of students. How many number of students? 6 girls and 10 boys. Total number of students is what? 16. First, N of S is equal to the number of ways, choose 3 from 16. Here 3, we have to choose 3 at random from the class out of 16. The number of ways, choose 3 from 16 is equal to 16C3. The total number of ways is equal to N is equal to 16C3. Suppose 3 boys, first one, 3 boys are selected. Suppose 3 boys are selected from 10 is, what is that? 3 boys are selected. Suppose 3 boys are selected from 10 is 10C7. 10C7, this is 10C3. Okay, suppose 3 boys are selected from 10 is 10C3, that is P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. This is 10C3 by N of E, that is M. 3 boys are selected from 16, that is 16C3. In that 3 boys are selected from 10 boys is 10C3. Therefore, probability of an experiment is equal to number of events in E by total number of events. Number of events in E, that is 10C3 by 16C3. Simplify this, we get 10C3 is 10 factorial by 10 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. 10 minus 3 is 7, remaining all the 7 terms are cancelled. We get 10 into 9 into 8 by 16 into 15 into 4, that is equal to 3 by 4. Simplification, after that we get a 0.2143 answer. Next, suppose second bit is given. What is that? Exactly 2 girls are selected. Exactly 2 girls are selected. Suppose exactly 2 girls are selected, n of e is equal to 6c2. 2 girls are selected out of 6. What is the probability? 6 into what is the uh, out of 6 students, 6 girls, we are taking exactly 2, that is 16c2 into out of 2 girls. In this we are taking total 2 girls and 1 boy. Out of 6 students we are taking, out of 6 girls we are taking 2, that is 6c2 into out of 10 boys we are selecting 1 boy, that is the 10c1 out of this is equal to total number of possibilities. Probability P of E is equal to n of E by n of S. N of E by n of S. What is n of E? N of E is exactly 2 girls selected out of 16 is 6c2 into 10c1 by the total number of events. The total number of events is what? Out of 16 students we are forming 3, that is 16c3. 16c3 is equal to 15 by 16. After simplification of this we get 15 by 16. This is once again I will explain, you can understand clearly. A class consists of 6 girls and 10 boys. 10 boys. Total how many number of students? 16 students. A committee can be formed 3 chosen randomly from that class. A committee can form, choose 3 from that 16. First, boys, 3 boys are selected. N of E is equal to the number of ways choose from 3, choose 3 from 16 is 16c3. That is the total number of favorable events, the total number of events, this is 16c3. Next, suppose 3 boys are selected, 3 boys are selected from 10 is what? 10c3. Therefore the probability P of E is equal to at least 3 boys can be selected is n of E by n of S. N of E is number of out of 10, 3 boys are selected is 10c3 by the committee can be formed out of 16, 3 is 16c3. This is, we simplify this, get answer 3 by 4. Next, suppose exactly 2 girls are selected. Exactly 2 girls are selected. N of E is equal to 16c2. 6 out of 6 girls we are taking 2 girls, 16c2 into 10c1. Out of 10 boys we are taking 1 boy, that is equal to total possible events. That is P of E is equal to probability is equal to n of E by n of S. N of E is what? Out of exactly 2 girls can be selected is 6c2 into 10c1 by 16c3, that is equal to 15 by 16, 0.2678. This is the 2 problems related to the probability.